Hi, Steve Richmond here with MarineMax Panama City Beach. I wanted to point out a few things about these great Sea Pro boats. This is a 172 bay boat, and a few things, especially if you're new to boating, you might not know what's the difference between this boat and another boat. Well, a lot of boats in this class, first of all, have a 1-year warranty. This boat has a 5-year bow to stern warranty, 10-year transferable hull warranty, and lifetime on the hardware. So you got to kind of think, why do the other boats only have a 1-year warranty when the Sea Pro's got that much? It's a quality boat. They're made in South Carolina. They're also hand-laid fiberglass with no wood in the hull. In the construction, it's all composites. You don't get any wood rot, so they're not worried about you having to make a claim on that hull within 10 years. I mean, it's going to last forever. Also comes with the Mercury. For right now, we've got 5-year warranty on the engine. So it's a fantastic boat and also very, very special pricing right now. Give me a call. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. This is a boat you can fish off of. Obviously, it's a fishing boat, but you also can put a pad up here and run the family over to Shell Island or just cruise around and have a good time. Super sharp bow, gives you a really smooth ride. And it's just, I've really been impressed with their product. They're a great company, involved owners, and there's some great videos online as well. Again, this is Steve at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Hope to see you soon. Give me a call, 850-358-0908. Thanks a lot.